In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Photo by Affinity. Let's jump right in and keep things simple and clear so you can follow along the first time you try this. Start by opening Affinity Photo. With the app running, head to the top menu and click File. From there, choose Open, then browse to the image you want to work with and click Open again. Give the file a second to load so you're seeing the full resolution version on your canvas. Before making any creative changes, we'll establish a clean, flexible foundation using an adjustment layer. Go to Layer, choose New Adjustment Layer, and select Brightness, Contrast. This creates a non-destructive adjustment, which means you can tweak or remove at any time without harming the original image. In the panel that appears, move the brightness slider to lift dark areas or gently pull it back if the image feels washed out. Then fine-tune contrast to add separation between shadows and highlights. Make small, incremental moves and look at the whole image as you adjust. If skin tones, skies, or important details start to clip or look unnatural, ease off a bit. You can toggle the adjustment on and off to compare your before and after as you dial it in. Next, head to the pixel options at the top and hover over filters. This is where you can apply targeted, pixel-based effects to refine your image further. Explore the adjust options available here and pick the one that best supports your goal, whether that's subtly enhancing midtones, taming highlights, or improving local contrast. After choosing your adjustment, preview the result and apply it when it looks right. Keep your changes modest. Stacking gentle adjustments usually looks more natural than making one heavy-handed move. If something feels overdone, undo, step back, and try a lighter touch. That's it. You've opened your image, set a strong baseline with brightness and contrast through an adjustment layer, and refined the look using filters from the pixel menu. Revisit any slider as needed, and remember, subtle, thoughtful edits nearly always produce the most polished results.